Check this out, guys. 1.5% per day, 7 days per week. And once you 5x your crypto, you get your principal back. Now, to put some icing on the cake, we have access to the CEO, and I'm trying to get him on the channel ASAP. What's up, good people? This is Anthony DeLoach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, we're going to be talking about a new program called Cryptoption. Now, I know there's been a lot of people out there calling it crypto option, and I see why, but I think it's Cryptoption. At least that's what I'm going to be calling it. All right, guys. Now, look, I want y'all to listen to this whole video because this might be a major play for you. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, look. You need to be in the game plan to 100 grand group because I already put this information in the group. Yeah, they got it first. And if you're not in the group, man, you falling behind. So I need you to go into the description of this video. I need you to click the link and you need to get in the group, and I will see you on the other side. All right, guys, let's get into it. Cryptoption. I'm not going to make this a very long video. These are my initial impressions. I actually found about this program from one of my good friends. He reached out to me like a week ago and said, Anthony, you need to check out this information. So I've been watching it. Then I had another one of my good friends actually introduce me and connect me with the CEO of the company. We had a great conversation. We're going to have some more in-depth conversations very soon. So I'm excited about this, right? But I got to bring those conversations to the channel so you guys can see this. But I wanted to give you your impressions because some of y'all like to get in first, right? I know some of you all like to get the information ahead of time. So I'm going to go ahead and drop everything that I know about this platform so far, right? So Cryptoption has been out for a little while. From what they tell me is that they have been doing this since back in about 2021. Haven't been able to go in and verify any of that type of stuff yet, right? But it's just been public for the last couple of months. But people are telling me they're really, really enjoying the program here. So I'm excited about this, right? So I jumped in here just off of the credibility of my friends and things like that. And I wanted to, some things that I wanted to do, some things I looked at that made it worthwhile for me to jump into this platform. So let's go ahead. Let's talk about this right here with Cryptoption. We're going to just break down this website right here. They have a candlestick chart. We ain't even gonna look at that. They got the light deals. We'll come back to that. I want to get into some other stuff first right here, right? What they are doing here is trading, right? So they're going through different types of trading, different types, and we'll go over that in the about section. But here's what you're going to get when you participate in this platform: 1.5% daily, right? They say interest. I don't like saying that, so I'm going to say 1.5% ROI daily, 7 days a week. Your package expires after you 5x your crypto. Now we're going to talk about the packages in just a second here, but 5x your crypto and you get your principal back. You get your original investment back after the package expires. Your minimum to get in is $100 deposit, right? Your minimum withdrawal is going to be $50 USDT. Now this is 50 USDT. This is strictly USDT in, USDT TRC20 in, and USDT TRC20 out. Your minimum is 100. Minimum withdrawal is 50. All right. The package costs, every package costs 100 USDT. So that's what one package costs. You can buy as many packages as you want. Now, another thing that was really interesting to me with this program, for those you like to refer to other people, is that they have a 2-level referral program. I've noticed that programs that have 1 to 2 level referral programs, they usually last a little bit longer. No guarantees there. I'm not a financial advisor, not giving financial advice. I'm not your guru. Got to throw that in there. But what I'm telling you just from what I've noticed, right? So this has a 2-level, 2-tier referral program, which your level 1 referral, you get 10% commission on every package purchased. Now, this is really good. Somebody comes in with 100, they purchase one package, so they do 100 USDT. You make 10 USDT off of that. Somebody comes in with 1,000, they do 10 packages, then you're going to make 100 USDT off of that. That's pretty cool. Now, what's really sweet is on level 2, you're making a 5% referral commission on every package purchase. So even if you're not the one that and referred them, but somebody you referred them, you're going to get 5%, which is pretty generous there, right? Now, the minimum package purchase limit is 1, right? So you can purchase as many packages as you want, but the minimum is 1. Now, they accept, as they say here, only USDT TRC20. So we already went over that. So I just want to let you guys know what is involved there. Now let's go to the about section. Now at Cryptoption, we take pride in being a reliable intermediary between you, the investor, and the ever dynamic world of cryptocurrencies. Our platform offers a unique opportunity for individuals and businesses alike to participate in the crypto market without the need for direct involvement in trading. With our team of seasoned experts at the helm, we strive to deliver exceptional returns on your investments while ensuring the utmost security and transparency. So let's talk about this, how we make money, because I know that's what you guys wanted to see. We have a team of highly professional traders who are experts in various styles of trading in the Forex and crypto markets, achieving over 60% accuracy rate to maximize profits. Our trading styles include scalping trading, day trading, swing trading, and option trading. On a daily basis, our traders generate 5 to 6% return. We offer our investors 1.5% return. The remaining amount is allocated to provide referral income. Additionally, it serves as a backup fund, enabling us to continue to offer profits to our investors, even in the event of a loss-making day of trading, right? Now, here is the CEO, Devindu Tiwari. That's my pronunciation. Right, Devindu. If I got it wrong, my apologies. But that's my pronunciation. Devindu Tiwari. 12 years of experience in option and hedge trading, 8+ years of experience in crypto trading. So that's what we have there on Devindu. Now, it's a very simple website. Right, guys, this is not one of those complex websites with a whole lot of stuff. You see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I miscounted. I said 6 at first. It's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just make sure I count. All right. So these little options that are here on the side are just the different menus on here. So you got your profile, and it'll on this profile, it's going to show you your information over here. Then you have the compounding section if you want to compound here. So you can see here, I started earlier today, right? And I did my first package, and then I went in after the conversation here. So you see what I have there, right? And then what we have is the wallet section, right? So your wallet section here is going to show you your deposit, your earning. I just did this today, so I don't have my first 1.5%. I'll have that probably tomorrow. So I'll show you guys that once I do another video, which I'll probably drop another video tomorrow on this. Then you have your referral section here. So in the referral section, the people that you have referred, right? So this is, I have one person referred here on the program. They haven't actually funded. So you guys are getting in early. I haven't. Like I said, not many people even know about this. And then we have our 2-factor authentication, which you can set that up there, which I tell everybody on every platform, you need to be setting up your 2-factor authentication. Okay. So just make sure that you're doing that. Now that we have that all explained, I want to give you a quick overview of how to fund your account. So in just in case you like, Anthony, this look good to me and I want to check it out, you know, whatever risk capital you want to put in here, that's what we always talk about. You put in some risk capital, you're going to be able to do that. So what we're going to tell you to do is to go straight over to the wallet here. When you go over to the wallet, all you got to do is hit deposit. Once you hit deposit, it's going to give you a USDT TRC20 address to send the USD TRC20 over to. Then you're going to select your number of packages. If you just want to do one, that's going to be $100, right? So 100 USDT. I said dollars, but it's USDT. So you could just purchase one package if you want to. If you wanted to purchase 10 packages, you just select the number and just go to 10. So you do 10 packages, that would be 1,000 USDT. What you would do is send that exact amount over to that address. Once you send that exact amount over to this address that's here, you can copy it with this little button here. Once you send that amount over, what you're going to do is, once you have your transaction ID, you need to paste that transaction ID, or what they call the transaction hash, in here, and then you hit deposit, right? So once you do that, then they're going to confirm your transaction. Now, they say up here it could take up to 8 to 9 hours. My first one took about I think less than an hour. It was less than an hour that my transaction was confirmed. Some people say their transactions are confirmed within minutes. My second transaction was confirmed within less than an hour. So it's up, you can actually go in, but give it up to the 8 to 9 hours before you go complaining and contacting support, right? Give it to the time that they say, but it should go by pretty fast once you actually do that. So that's how you get funded. You're gonna get your percentage payout every single day, 7 days a week. So far, what everybody's telling me, they're telling me the withdrawals are pretty quick and easy, that people actually do that. So I think it's a good program so far. If this goes the way I expect it to go, or the way that I hoped it, let me change that word, because I don't like to use that word expectation, right? The way that I hope it goes, then I think we can have a major play with this one. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys, this is my initial impressions. Not much else to really go over here on this thing. But I think we're in it at a good time that we can make some good money on this one. So like, whatever risk capital that you're willing to put in here is what you can get started with, that type of thing, if you want to check it out for yourself, right? So I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing, one of the other plays that I had here. Hopefully you guys really that you really like the content that I'm bringing to you. If you do, you got to make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really like it, right, and you want to be in the know on everything, I need you to get in the Game Plan to 100 Grand group. I got some big plans for the group, guys. It's more than just this crypto stuff. We're gonna do crypto stuff, but we're gonna do a lot of other stuff in there that's gonna help us big time, right? I got a lot of stuff coming down the pipe, guys. You want to be in the group, okay? So as always, guys, you know what we're gonna do. We're gonna invest wisely. We're gonna invest well. We will only invest what we're willing to lose, but we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out. Peace.